To our industry partners, here's a message from some of our hospitality, restaurant, and tourism management students. The future's bright. They have no doubt about it.
Dear hotels and resorts,
event centers,
tourism operators,
country clubs,
restaurants,
airlines,
everyone in the hospitality industry.
This will pass.
We are together.
We are resilient.
We will get through this.
I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy.
We've got your back.
We are here for you.
Your efforts do not go unnoticed.
Stay positive through this situation.
We believe in you.
We appreciate your support, and in return, we're supporting you.
It is so comforting to know that we have such a supportive community behind us.
We're inspired by your continued work.
Together we are.
Together we are.
Together we are Hospitality Strong.